My child, pause for a moment. Do not rush past this. Let your heart be still. This message did not arrive by accident. In the quiet flow of your day, in the noise of your thoughts, in the weight you carry without speaking, this moment found you. Not to pressure you, not to frighten you, not to overwhelm you, but to rest you, to breathe into you, to remind you of something your soul already knows, but your mind has forgotten. Do not be afraid. Beloved, I know the tired places inside you, the silent places no one sees. The places where you smile outside but feel heavy inside. The places where you keep going even when your strength feels thin. You carry responsibilities, expectations, memories, questions, and unspoken worries. Some days your body moves forward, but your heart feels behind. Some nights your mind won't rest, even when your body lies down. You've learned how to be strong, how to endure, how to survive, but inside, your spirit has been asking for rest, not resistance, for peace, not performance, for safety, not striving. And Jesus sees this, not the image you show the world, not the version people expect, not the role you play, but the real you, the tired you, the quiet you, the overwhelmed you, the hopeful but weary you. And his voice does not come with pressure. It does not come with demands. It does not come with fear. It comes gently. It comes close. It comes personal, my child. Come to me, not when you are perfect, not when you are strong enough, not when you fix yourself, not when you understand everything. Just come as you are, with your questions, with your fatigue, with your doubts, with your longings, with your fragile faith, with your tired heart. Legend, beloved, Jesus does not ask you to perform. He offers presence. He does not demand effort. He offers rest. He does not pressure your spirit. He protects it. He is not calling you into religion. He is calling you into relationship, not into rules, into rest, not into striving, into safety, not into fear, into peace. You don't have to carry everything alone anymore. You don't have to hold yourself together by force. You don't have to prove your worth. You don't have to earn his love. You are already held, already seen, already known, already loved. And right now, something gentle is happening inside you. Your breath begins to slow. Your chest feels lighter. Your thoughts begin to soften. Your heart loosens its grip. Not because life suddenly changed, but because his presence entered your awareness. Peace does not always arrive loudly. Sometimes it arrives quietly, like warmth in cold hands, like stillness in moving water, like rest in a tired body, like safety in a frightened heart. Let it come, let the weight fall, let the pressure dissolve. Let the striving stop, let the fear loosen, let the burden lift. Cleanse, you do not have to be afraid of tomorrow. You do not have to fear what you cannot control. You do not have to panic over what you cannot see. You do not have to live in tension anymore. Blend, because Christ is not ahead of you. He is with you, not far from you, but near you. Not watching from a distance, but walking beside you, not judging your weakness, but carrying your weight, my child. You are safe in his presence. Your heart is safe. Your future is safe. Your spirit is safe. Your journey is held. Let your soul rest here for a moment. Let your mind grow quiet. Let your heart be still. Let your spirit breathe. If your soul agrees, whisper softly within yourself, I receive. Palm Giles, if your heart believes, let it settle into peace. If this moment touched you, write Amen as a simple act of faith. And if you know someone whose heart is tired, share this with them, not as content, but as comfort. Beloved, do not be afraid, not because life is perfect, not because challenges are gone, not because questions are answered. Mind, but because Jesus is present, because His peace is real, because His love is constant, because His presence is enough, because His arms are open, because His heart is gentle, because His voice is near. Rest now, breathe now. Be still now. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are not unseen. Means you are held, you are loved, you are safe, you are home. And in this quiet place, in this gentle stillness, in this peaceful moment, do not be afraid.